Discover the latest innovations from Bosch with 20 brand new tools designed for precision, efficiency, and durability. From power-packed drills to smart measuring devices, these cutting-edge tools bring professional performance to your workshop or job site. Experience Bosch's advanced technology, ergonomic designs, and unmatched reliability that make every project faster, easier, and more enjoyable than ever before. Bosch GSG 300 Professional. The Bosch GSG 300 Professional is a precision foam rubber cutter designed for exact millimeter cuts in soft elastic materials, ideal for upholstery, insulation, and packaging. Its 350-watt motor delivers consistent power, while the reciprocating blade system ensures low vibration and noise. The tool offers a maximum cutting depth of 300 mm and features a robust, bend-resistant sole plate. Lightweight and ergonomic at 1.6 kilograms, it supports both hands and can be customized with various blades and guides for versatile applications. Bosch GLI Deci LED Professional Cordless Torch. The Bosch GLI Deci LED Professional is a compact, versatile 12-volt cordless work light designed for professional use. It features 10 powerful LEDs delivering up to 330 lumens with 2 brightness levels. Its adjustable 200-degree head, integrated magnet, hook, carabiner, and freestanding base provide flexible hands-free positioning. Compatible with Bosch 12-volt batteries, it runs up to 6 hours on a 2.0 amp-hour battery. Lightweight, robust, and tripod compatible, it ensures reliable, efficient illumination for any challenging work environment. Bosch Paint Spray System PFS 7000. The Bosch Paint Spray System PFS 7000 is a powerful, versatile tool designed for large indoor and outdoor painting projects. Equipped with ALL paint technology, it handles all common paints with minimal dilution. Its 1,400-watt motor ensures fast, even application at 4 square meters per minute, while fine atomization guarantees drip-free results. Mobility is enhanced by wheels and a 4-meter hose, and dual 1,000 milliliter containers reduce refills. Features like constant feed, adjustable airflow, SDS system, and multiple nozzles make painting effortless and precise. Bosch UniversalTacker 18-14-. The Bosch UniversalTacker 18V-14 is a versatile cordless fastening tool, ideal for DIY, upholstery, and repair projects. Part of the 18V Power for All Alliance system, it offers cordless freedom with a single battery for multiple tools. With adjustable impact force, it drives staples and nails efficiently into soft and hard wood. Features include sequential bottom fire stapling, push plus release safety, staple and nail compatibility, handy indicators for battery and magazine, Syneon technology for optimized power, and an ergonomic soft grip design for comfort. Bosch 18-volt Compact Jobsite Radio. The Bosch 18-volt Compact Jobsite Radio GPB 18V-2C is a rugged portable audio solution built for demanding work environments. It features Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless streaming, true wireless stereo for pairing 2 units, AUX input, USB charging, and a speakerphone for hands-free calls. High-performance 15-watt speakers deliver clear sound with customizable bass and treble, while a digital tuner stores multiple FM/AM presets. Jobsite tough and IP54 rated, it runs on Bosch 18-volt batteries or AC power, with a compact, easy-to-carry design. Bosch Fresh Up. The Bosch Fresh Up is a compact handheld fabric refresher that removes odours using innovative chemical-free plasma technology. It dissolves odour molecules, eliminating body, smoke, food, pet, and musty smells, while sanitizing fabrics by removing up to 99.9% of certain bacteria and viruses. Safe for all dry textiles, including silk, wool, and linen. It can refresh clothes, cushions, or soft furnishings. Lightweight, USB rechargeable, and easy to use, the device features smart plasma management and indicator lights, making on-the-go odour removal simple and effective. Bosch Gluey. The Bosch Gluey is a compact cordless hot glue pen perfect for crafts, DIY projects, and quick repairs. Its ergonomic pen-like design ensures precise application and comfort during use. Powered by 2 rechargeable AA batteries, it heats up in just 60 seconds and can handle up to 60 mini glue sticks per charge. Lightweight and versatile, the Gluey works on paper, wood, fabric, glass, and more, while coloured and glitter glue sticks add endless creative possibilities. Bosch YOUseries Sander. The Bosch UniversalTacker. Sander is a compact, lightweight, and cordless delta sander, perfect for detailed sanding in tight spaces. Weighing only 350 grams, it offers excellent manoeuvrability for small household projects. Powered by a 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery, it charges via USB-C for convenience anywhere. Its triangular sanding plate reaches corners effortlessly, while the hook and loop system allows quick sandpaper changes. The motion-activated LED battery indicator, optional dust attachment, and stylish storage case make it a modern, versatile tool for precise finishing. Bosch Accent Line Carbon Black Glass. Draft ventilation. The Bosch Accent Line Carbon Black GlassDraft is a sleek retractable downdraft ventilation system that rises from the countertop to capture steam and odours at the source. Its premium black glass and brushed stainless steel design complements Bosch Accent Line appliances. Features include perfect air sensor for automatic extraction adjustment, guided air technology for efficient steam capture, Home Connect compatibility, Eco Silence, drive motor, Emotion Light Pro, LED lighting, easy clean dishwasher safe filters, and safety overflow protection, all in a compact, flexible installation design. Bosch Zamo Extendable Laser Measure. The Bosch Zamo Extendable Laser Measure is a compact, versatile tool designed for precision and convenience. It measures distances up to 25 meters with plus or minus 2 millimeters accuracy and features an interchangeable adapter system, including tape, wheel, and line attachments for flexible use. Simple one-button operation, area calculation, and memory for the last 10 readings make tasks efficient. Lightweight and USB-C rechargeable, it's portable and eco-friendly, with over 75% recycled plastic in its housing. Ideal for home projects and professional use. Bosch Green Beam Revolve 4000. The Bosch Green Beam Revolve 4000 GRL 4000-90 CHVG is a professional self-leveling rotary laser built for tough job sites. Its high visibility green beam is up to 4 times brighter than red lasers, perfect for indoor and outdoor projects. With IP68 durability, It survives dust, water, and drops. Features include a 4,000-foot range, plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy, Bluetooth app control, dual slope adjustment, UCal calibration, and dual power options. Ideal for horizontal and vertical leveling, grading, and layout tasks. Bosch Cordless Cleaning Brush. The Bosch Cordless Cleaning Brush, or Universal Brush, is a compact and powerful electric scrubber designed for versatile cleaning tasks indoors and outdoors. Its 215 RPM motor tackles stubborn dirt efficiently, while the 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery provides cordless convenience with micro USB charging. IPX5 water protection allows safe use in wet areas. Interchangeable brushes and pads handle tough scrubbing, delicate surfaces, and tight spaces. Lightweight, ergonomic, and durable. This tool is perfect for tiles, sinks, ovens, garden furniture, car rims, and more. Bosch GWI 108 VLI Professional. The Bosch GWI 108 VLI Professional is a compact, versatile cordless angle screwdriver designed for professionals working in tight spaces. Its 9.5 cm adjustable angle head locks into 5 positions, while a 7-stage electronic torque setting and drilling mode allow precise screw driving. Lightweight and maneuverable at 1.1 kilograms, it delivers 13 Newton meters torque and 585 revolutions per minute speed. Features include a motor brake, Bosch lithium-ion battery with ECP, 1/4 inch hex tool holder, variable speed, and durable DuraShield housing for demanding jobs. Bosch Professional GWM40 Measuring Wheel. The Bosch Professional GWM40 measuring wheel is a durable, precise tool, ideal for construction and surveying tasks. Its robust steel frame, die-cast aluminum hinge, and stainless steel locking handle ensure long-lasting stability. The easy-to-read 6-digit counter, simple push-button reset, and built-in wheel brake make measurements quick and convenient. With a folding handle, carrying handle, and protective bag, it's highly portable. Measuring up to 9,999.99 meters with plus or minus 5 centimeters per 100 meters accuracy, its 40 centimeter rubber wheel and kickstand offer reliable performance on any terrain. Bosch GDE MAX Professional. The Bosch GDE MAX Professional is a universal dust extraction attachment for SDS Max hammers, ensuring a virtually dust-free workspace during chiseling and demolition. It fits nearly all Bosch SDS Max tools and integrates seamlessly with the click and clean system. Lightweight yet durable, it allows quick tool changes without dismounting and adapts to various working angles. Compatible with bushing tools and chisels up to 600 millimeters, it provides professionals with a safer, cleaner, and more efficient solution for construction and renovation tasks. Bosch Hammer Drill Slash Driver Electronic Angle Detection Feature. The Bosch Hammer Drill Dodge Driver features the innovative Electronic Angle Detection EAD, guiding users to drill or drive screws at precise angles. Equipped with an LED system, it shows yellow when near the desired angle and green when exact. Users can choose preset angles of 45 degrees or 60 degrees, or set custom angles via the Bosch Toolbox app. This connected ready technology simplifies accurate drilling on roofs, decks, or sloped surfaces without extra tools, enhancing speed, precision, and efficiency. Bosch Wireless Charging Car Holster. The Bosch wireless charging car holster is a mobile charging and storage solution for Bosch 18-volt tools, keeping batteries ready on the go. It charges compatible Bosch 18-volt wireless batteries via a vehicle's 12-volt DC or 240-volt power system while securely holding the tool during transit. The sealed design protects against dust and moisture, while safety features like foreign object detection prevent hazards. CoolPack technology safeguards batteries from overheating. Ideal for a grab-and-go workflow, it ensures efficiency and fewer spare batteries. Bosch's the EasyCut and Grind. Bosch's EasyCut and Grind is a compact cordless multi-purpose tool perfect for DIY projects. It effortlessly cuts, trims, and sands wood, plastic, cardboard, and thin metal up to 14 millimeters. Weighing just 0.44 kilograms, its ergonomic design allows comfortable one-handed use in tight spaces. Safety is prioritized with a two-step activation and automatic shutdown. The 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery provides cordless freedom, while the spindle lock enables quick accessory changes. The kit includes cutting discs, sanding plates, a freehand adapter, and a transport cover. Bosch GIC 120 Professional. The Bosch GIC 120 Professional is a compact inspection camera designed for easy visual checks in hard-to-reach areas like pipes, walls, or engine compartments. Featuring the Up is Up function for correct image orientation, quick connector technology for easy cable changes, and bright LED illumination, it ensures clear visibility. Its 2.7-inch display with digital zoom, flexible 1.2 meter cable, ergonomic design, and accessory attachments like hook, magnet, and mirror make inspections efficient. Powered by AA batteries, it's ideal for electricians, plumbers, and mechanics. Bosch AdvancedGlue 18 volts. The Bosch AdvancedGlue 18 volt is a cordless hot glue gun designed for DIY, repair, and creative projects, combining the power of corded tools with battery flexibility. Featuring dual temperature settings, 200 degrees Celsius for robust materials and 130 degrees Celsius for heat-sensitive surfaces, it heats up in just 90 seconds and delivers up to 20 grams of glue per minute. Part of the 18-volt power for all system, it offers an extra-long nozzle for precision, constant high-temperature performance, intelligent auto-off safety, and compatibility with a wide range of materials.